That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with a new video. I look crazy right now, no makeup. I didn't have time to put makeup on for this video. Honestly, I'm tired and I don't even care. But like I said, welcome you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour. I know you guys are probably like, what, apartment tour? I recently, literally, when I say recently, I mean like today, literally just moved to LA. Yeah, I got my keys today, so I wanted to do an empty apartment tour for you guys before I start, like, you know, adding stuff and decorating and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm about to show you guys the apartment empty, so you guys can get the vibe and everything. So let's get started. When you're coming through the doors, this is what you see. So just to give you guys an overview, you walk this way. This is my kitchen. It's pretty small, but it's cute, clean. And by the way, the floor is concrete, cement. I don't know how to fuck concrete. I'm pretty sure it's concrete. But yeah, the floor is concrete, which I really like. I'm usually obsessed with wooden floors, but this concrete just like gives me another look. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Stove is pretty small compared. Oh, they're supposed to come in and put some cabinets in here because they had to like replace it. They gotta come and insert some new ones. You got the stove, gas stove, which I love. Fridge, it's empty. Excuse the noise in the background, like the building literally across, they're doing some construction outside, you guys, so excuse the noise. But yeah, when you come this way, this is the living room. So I don't really have like a dining area. Well, I could kind of make this area right here a dining area, or I would just like, so I'm pretty much just going to get some bar stools and put it right here. I don't really want a dining room table for this time because it's only, you know, me. I don't really need it. This is the living room space. So cute. It's small, but I really like it. Clean white walls. I have a fireplace. It's electric. It's really cute. It's the outside. The view is not really all that, honestly, so I had to close the blinds. But yeah, this is probably like the shortest empty apartment tour ever because it's so tiny in here. This is what the kitchen looks like from here. I'm gonna get some cute bar stools and put it right here. I'm thinking about getting a sofa, either a sofa or a sectional. I don't know which one I want to do yet. And, you know, put the TV right here, get some cute decor. Like, I'm not sure what vibe I'm gonna go for in this apartment yet, but we'll figure it out. So walk this way. We have this little storage area right here. I'm not really sure what it's for, but for now I stored some towels that I just purchased and my candles up here, so it does come in handy. And down here, I think I'm just gonna be putting like cleaning supplies or like, you know, extra towels for like guests and stuff like that. This is my bathroom. I literally just went to Ross to get these so I could like be able to shower while I'm in here. So this is not gonna be permanent. I'm gonna be changing it. But this is the bathroom. I love this mirror, just long and really pretty. I hate the lighting in here. It's like orange, so I'm trying to figure out if I could change it to like a cool white. But yeah, that's the bathroom. This is me looking a mess. And yes, tiny, regular, simple. You walk this way to my bedroom. So this is the room. Focus, camera, focus. Focus, okay. So here's the room. It has carpet. It's like gray, which I'm not mad at. It's actually kind of cute. Yeah, the room is really tiny compared to like my current place now. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of like organizing and just trying to make everything fit, because I need somewhere for my vanity. I need somewhere for my bed. Like, it's just a lot, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna make it work. So when you turn this way, this is the closet. I have like, it's a mirrored closet. It's really small. I got some comforters and pillows that I just bought. And on the other side, this is what it looks like. So once again, I literally have to like get organized and empty out my closet, make sure I don't bring too much clothes and shoes, because y'all, I have a lot of clothes and this is not gonna work out, but we're gonna figure out something. Either I'm thinking about getting a rack and putting the rack right here, probably like 2 racks, and then like, you know, hanging some clothes, because this is not gonna be enough of my clothes, so we're gonna make it work. But yeah, this is the room, you guys. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the empty apartment tour, you guys. I'm beyond excited. Like, I just feel so blessed, you guys. Like, I literally just moved to LA. And it's so crazy. Let me tell you guys how. So let me tell you how this move went about. So last month I came to LA just to, like, you know, a breath of fresh air, just to visit some friends and just hang out. And I was talking to my friend Lavi. Like, she moved out here last year from Maryland also. So she was telling me, she was like, girl, you need to be out here. Like, what you still doing? There is nothing there for you in Maryland and stuff like that. And I'm like, yeah, but you know, last year I also just moved into my first place last year. So it's like, I'm not really thinking about moving. She's like, no, you need to come out here, because every time you come out here is more to do. And I'm like, I know, like, every time I'm out here, I'm just like busier, you know, like the energy, I just love it. Like, I actually be out, I be doing stuff, I be like out and about. But like in Maryland, I'm always in the house 24/7 every day, like always in the house. If I'm not working, I'm just in bed, like wasting my outfits. Like, it's just, you know, it's just draining. I've kind of been feeling like it's just, I've been over it. So I'm like, okay, bet, next time I come to LA, I'm staying. And then I left, I went back to Maryland, and I started looking for apartments. I started looking for apartments online and like doing research on, like, you know, prices and the best area to live and all this shit. Like 2-3 days later, I booked another flight to LA. So I came back to LA and I went apartment hunting, and I started looking at places, and I went to go see a few places, and I ran into this one. This apartment is actually not the one that I wanted and was looking at. The one that I wanted, somebody already took it. Like, literally when I came, she was like, oh, somebody literally just put a lease, like signed a lease on this apartment. She showed me this one, and this one, it was actually way cheaper than the one that I wanted. So I was like, there's no way I can let this pass. So I put down my deposit and everything, and I was like, you know what, sign me up. And just like that, I'm here. So yeah, that's literally how it happened. I'm so excited. My current apartment right now, I'm not bringing anything, like all that furniture, everything, I'm leaving it. You guys are probably like, girl, your apartment right now is so cute, oh my god, like what are you gonna do? I don't even care, like I'm over it. The only thing I've really heard about is my bed, you guys. I'm obsessed with my bed. I love my bed so much. I really wanted to bring it, but I'm just like, that's doing a lot, you know, like taking a bed down and just like, you know, shipping it. That's doing a lot. So I'm just gonna buy a whole new, I'm just going for a whole new vibe with this apartment. I really want to decorate it like really girly, just like, you know, go all out, even though it's really tiny, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I wasn't too, like, you know, shaky with the camera, and like, you know, I got to show y'all everything. It's not really much to show, like it's really tiny in here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. Stay tuned for the fully furnished apartment tour, because y'all already know I'm about to hook this one up, period. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.